2 hours later.
So let's paint a picture of a standard SBC configuration. You've been tasked to implement a new SBC for the company. So, for 3 days, after going through the complex interoperability documentation, bridging the different SIP flavors on the network, maintaining access lists, managing security concerns, and praying it all works the way you want it to, phew, your configuration is still subject to communication errors, extended technician time, and of course, dollars spent. Introducing AudioCode's SBC Configuration Wizard. Just like a standard desktop UI, our wizard is simple to use, easy to adapt, and takes minutes, not days. The product utilizes pre-made interoperability templates, customized to specific PBX and SIP trunk services. The user needs only to input their PBX model, service provider, and provision a few other parameters. After that, it's nothing but great job! You rock!
Wow, you're like a wizard.
Audio Codes is constantly updating its template portfolio in the cloud, so technicians can have seamless access to updates. The configuration wizard saves time, money, complexity, and stress. Don't let the words "lost in SBC configuration" be part of your vocabulary. Let Audio Codes SBC Wizard be your beacon of light. So what are you waiting for?
As part of delivering high-performance wireless solutions, Xeris operates multiple wireless test labs to test and verify our products. These labs are used to test product interoperability, functionality, and of course the ultimate levels of performance. The Xeris wireless labs collectively run over 500,000 unique tests and can do so completely automatically. These test beds run exhaustive validation against all Xeris Array platforms for each software release to ensure consistent quality and performance of our products. In this video, we will show you around our labs and demonstrate a high client density test. First, our high client density test lab consists of 600 live clients, including notebooks, iPads, and iPods. They are positioned around a Xeris Array tower that includes all of our products. Using special test software, we run tests to measure the performance of the arrays. For example, pushing a 100 megabyte file to all the devices and recording the overall task time. Or running video streams to each device and measuring the video quality using what is called an MDI score. Here you can see that we have connected all 600 devices in the lab to a single Xeris Array and are running unicast and multicast video streams plus background data traffic to each device. Second, our multi-room rate range test lab is a custom-built set of 9 rooms lined up in a row. We place an array at one end of the set of rooms and several notebooks with different Wi-Fi chipsets in each room. The walls of the rooms are coated with RF absorbing materials to add attenuation. We test the range and throughput from the Xeris Array to each notebook to validate our performance. Third, our automated Ixia iX VeriWave test labs runs exhaustive performance tests using WPA and WPA2 security. Some of the more interesting tests we conduct are high-density client turnover tests that emulate up to 150,000 unique clients connecting and passing through a single array in a single hour. Also, we run an ultra-high density client test that validates the maximum number of clients supported on a single array. Our 8-modular AP XR4800 array supports up to 1,920 simultaneous client connections, the highest in the industry. Using the IX VeriWave, we are able to show 1,920 simultaneous clients running traffic through a single XR array.
Waiting to connect. Connect to healthcare, to social media, to education, to economic opportunities. Well, the wait is over. Things are about to change. We are connecting the unconnected, changing the world by connecting people, places, and things. Changing business, changing lives, changing fun, changing the game. And we are doing it fast. How? By crossing mountains and wastelands, through sun, rain, and sub-zero temperatures. From city to village, from neighborhood to community, right to your sofa. We are helping our customers build networks as fast and reliable as any in the world, and just as affordable. We are bringing the citizens of the world together, leaping the digital divide and helping every global citizen play a role. We reach to inspire, to protect, to heal, and to connect. We are Cambium. Change is within reach.
We have been focusing on delivering a solution as the need for global connectivity increases. And it's again very gratifying and very enlightening for us to really see that we are at the right time at the right place.
At Cambium Networks, we design all of our products around known industry standards. We have a very rigorous process of designing quality into all of our product solutions so we can ensure performance and quality across our entire platform. We also have designed our products for ease of use and manageability so that customers can focus on their core business.
When you're providing wireless broadband communication systems for tough and often dangerous industry verticals such as petrochem, oil and gas, utilities, mines, these industries often have very strict compliance to certifications such as ATEX or HAZLOC. These are explosive gas and hazardous area type of certifications. FIPS and NTIA type standards are standards that we need to ensure and build into our products to be able to support the industries that we get into, such as the defense, military, government type of industries where security is essential.
When we introduce a product in Cambium, we spend a lot of time, we build prototype units, and these prototype units are used by the engineers to confirm the design that they've created. Each of the prototype units are taken, extensively tested to confirm that the specification to which they were designed is met. Every specification is translated into a technical test that we perform in the factories. We load software, confirm the product meets the specification, and then we ship to our customers.
From a reliability perspective, with Cambium products, we go through an extensive suite of tests. This includes temperature over warm and hot versus cold temperature to really test out the product's reliability in different environmental conditions. Along with that, we're also looking at things such as real-world deployment testing, where we're taking the product outside in an outdoor environment, going behind trees, going behind buildings, and truly looking at performance of the product. That's how we get to the reliability aspect or confidence in our products.
With our solutions, we can go globally and we can connect the unconnected. And that's really not just in terms of giving them more connectivity to the information and knowledge, but it's also lifting their quality of life, which is very gratifying.
Your 24 hours per day, 7 days per week helper. SmartCube 300W. Welcome. Bye-bye.
Hi, I will be right back. Give me 1 second, please. SmartCube 300W, 3 megapixel wireless cube IP cam with PIR and intelligence.
Designers are naturally a perfectionist. They're never really satisfied with what they already have, so they want to make improvement.
We ultimately hone in on the right solution, but it ends up being a little bit of science, a little bit of art.
When a user grabs a headset and picks it up and has it in their hands, they can tell right away if this is a quality product or not.
I want people to open the box and look and go, wow.
With this precision boom, as you rotate it, it has very sweet movement where it just feels fluid and nice.
The end user will hear it and feel it, and it's like, okay, I'm in the right location. It's just like, we thought, why not use a metal joint?
An actual live piece of metal in the product, which is sometimes tricky, but we all know it can be more efficient at bearing loads.
With metal piece at a very key junction of the headset that takes a lot of force, it's really exceptional.
We made the boom thinner and sleeker and put some notches so the user can easily bend it. It has the integrity of the direction, but it can get the microphone really close to your mic. That's mouth.
Forget that it has wires and a microphone and a speaker in it that are tuned so expertly by our audio team. The exterior skin of the object is like, oh, I want to just touch it. I know it goes on, that's next, but the first impression is like, it's just quite beautiful.
For the first time, I think people will be excited about customer care headsets, and I think that is a big milestone.